Alright, so hi everyone, welcome back to Rohan Developers. This is Rohan Ramprasad and you're watching Rohan Develops, where we innovate things and build things. So today's video is again going to be about Google Campus Ambassador. So in Google Campus Ambassador, the welcome kits are dispatched and it will be reaching to you within 2 weeks of the time. So this month, within 2 weeks, you will be getting your welcome kit. And there's a twist, it's not for everyone. Only the people who have completed their previous month mandatory tasks, I guess 3 mandatory tasks were there. If you have completed those 3 mandatory tasks in the last month, which was May, not this month, June, last month of May, the 3 mandatory tasks, the monthly highlights, product trials, and the content creation one. So if you have completed it and got your points, and yeah, you will be getting your welcome kits. So stay tuned and hope don't forget to make sure you make the unboxing videos and post your welcome kits on LinkedIn, and just tag me if you want, if some videos have helped you out. So yeah, this was the announcement regarding the welcome kit, and let me tell you, if you have not yet completed your mandatory task, what should be your next step doing such tasks so that you can get your welcome kit. So in order, the people who have already completed their mandatory task, they will be getting their welcome kit within 2 weeks. And if you are someone who have not yet completed your mandatory task, then this video is also for you. So you can go to your student portal, and as you will go, there are total 4 new June tasks. Like this month is June, so June tasks are uploaded. So again, there is product trials, content creation, monthly highlights, and conduct campus interviews. There are 4 mandatory tasks, and 3 mandatory tasks. Conduct campus interviews are the booster, is included in the booster part. So if you are doing it, it is kind of optional and booster thing. So you need to complete at least, in order to get welcome kit, 3 mandatory tasks, which are product trial, content creation, and monthly highlights. These 3 should be completed and should be submitted through the regular process, the regular form, and you should be getting the score of the points or whatever it is, 100 points, 300 points, and after you get the points, your welcome kit will be dispatched. Maybe you can contact your mentor also regarding this, and she will also advise you the same thing. So yeah, like last month my exams were there, 23rd May till it was going on, so I just had 7 days, so I had just completed 2 tasks, so I just got 200 points. So yeah, it happens. So yeah, if you are left behind, don't be sad that I'm also with you. I'll be also covering these 3 tasks. So let me just give you a small short summary on each task. Like I'll be making a detailed video if you want on each task. So just now, for today, let me give you a summary and overview of the each task. So if you will go on the product trials, it is asking the month's brief is Battle of Bands Music Night with Lyria. So Lyria, if you don't know, is a model launched by Google this time during the Google I/O event, and you should explore it definitely. I will not tell you what exactly it is. You should explore. Go to ChatGPT or Gemini and just search what is Lyria. Watch YouTube tutorials, and you will understand what is Lyria is all about. It is related to the music and all. So every month we drop a new fun night theme, a Gemini feature, a wild creative brief, and one mission: get your campus to make something. Exactly. So if you will click on the continue button, you will be seeing all the task parameters. Like the key parameters is around minimum 10 participants, maximum 30 participants, and 10 points will be graded for the per participant. And yeah, so these are the task parameters and scoring. So, and the submission form. So the submission form are divided into 3 steps: step 1, step 2, step 3. So the step 1 is book your Google Meet. Step 2, nominate the best entry. Step 3 is the participants feedback. Step 1 is around booking your Google Meet, and step 2 is around nominating the best entry. Step 3 is the participants feedback. So yeah, if you have attended the Google Meet or the workshop session which your mentor must have conducted in your GSA group, so you have an idea. If you don't have, I will be making a detailed video. This is just, I am giving an overview what exactly it is. And the monthly highlights is all about you presenting your thoughts on becoming a Google Campus Ambassador on LinkedIn or Instagram or any other social media platform, and submitting the proof. And yeah, it's very easy. You should first do the monthly highlight task. It's really easy, and after that you can go on the content creation part. So content creation is around making a reel or some content around a Gemini product, and telling you can visit the portal for the details. And yeah, and the fourth one is conduct campus interviews. So yeah, just like previous month, you can go and ask your student, all the pupils in your campus regarding an interview, just a quick interview. You can just have a conversations, and yeah, you can just note it down and just upload the proofs. And as I telling that in the next video, I'll try to make a detailed video like how exactly. Also, if you want, I would share the exact video or thing or proof which I will be submitting as my task to the Google portal. I'll be sharing it on the YouTube also. So yeah, just stay tuned. So yeah, just this was the briefing all about. And if you have just become a Google Campus Ambassador, just go through your Google student portal and you will understand what exactly needs to be done. And yeah, these were all the things which I wanted to say. So this video is all just about if you want your welcome kit, just complete your 3 mandatory tasks. If you have already done your 3 mandatory tasks, you will be getting your welcome kit soon. So just stay tuned. Within 2 weeks you will be getting it. And yeah, if you are having more such doubts, you can just drop your comments in the comment section, and I'll try to reply. Also, do check out my other videos. Like recently I made a video on NVIDIA and Antarctica, so you must just check it out. So yeah, if you are liking my content, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next time.